How to capture 3D photos or videos on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, we need to first enable 3D option. So we tap on the control button and tap on the settings icon. In camera settings, we scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Next, scroll down and then turn on 3D capture. Make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then we go back to the camera and select either photo or video. And in here, at the top, there is a 3D icon. So tap on it to turn it on. And from here, you'll be able to capture in 3D mode. Now you need to capture in landscape mode. If you have your phone in portrait mode, it will not work. And that's it. After you are turning your phone in landscape mode, you can tap on the record button or tap on the shutter button to take 3D photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.